Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy crochet knot headband. The full written pattern with fit and sizing instructions is available for free on my blog. The link is in the bio. You will need Aran worsted weight or 10 ply yarn. Today I'm using Lion Brand jeans in the colour faded, a 5mm crochet hook, some scissors and a darning needle. To begin, create a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop. Now we're going to chain 81. To chain, yarn over and pull through a loop. Repeat this until you have 81 chains. Once you have 81 chains, half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. To half double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Half double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. You should have 80 stitches in total. To begin row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn, and chain 1 does not count as a stitch. We're going to half double crochet in each stitch along the row. Once you've finished row 2, we're just going to repeat row 2 until we reach the end of row 6. So chain 1, turn, and half double crochet in each stitch in the row. At the end of row 6, fasten off. Lay your headband flat and tie a knot. Shuffle your knot along until it's in the middle of the headband. Pull tight. We're now going to sew the sides of the headband together. Make sure your headband isn't twisted, and we're going to mattress stitch from one side to the other. Once you've finished sewing the 2 sides together, weave in your ends. You've now finished your crochet knot headband.